to teach someone to use a flip phone. You open your flip phone when somebody's calling. You look on the keyboard and there's a green button. Press it. Sometimes it's on the left, sometimes it's on the right. But whatever you do, press it. And then you take it, you hold it like this, and you put it up to your ear, and you say, hello. And they say, hello. How you doing? I'm doing good. See, we're going to meet up at Grandma's Oma's at 7 o'clock for that good food that doesn't exist right now. Yeah, I get you. Bye. And then you go to close.
What about the red button?
Red button.
For end. Look, Maurice, somebody stopped ahead of us.
It's Donald Trump.
That's Donald Trump?
He's one of his minions.
Okay.
Yep.
That's one of Donald Trump's minions? I don't think so. He might knock me out and get me off the phone because he sees me recording.
But then, first my question to you. Why are you owning a flip phone when they have these touchscreen, Android, iPhone, Samsung, Galaxy?
You missing something? Canon?
Huh?
Canon?
Life's good.
Vizio?
Yeah.
What's wrong with your eye?
It itches.
What'd you do? You got quiet.
I know it is. Oh my gosh.
You got an inchworm?